Part 4. Sorry, I keep clicking out of this video. I don't know. Well, this is my amazing, beautiful sister. Her name's Jade. She's my favorite person out of anyone in the house. Besides Zeus. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 poppets. This is my smelly Play-Doh. I got it for my birthday, which is June 25th. I got these marble-looking things that switch around, and I love this. My favorite, globble-looking thing. It's not globbles, sadly. My sister has globbles. I have no idea where they are. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird. It actually does not sound like this. Sorry, my ear. Alright. I love blue. Look at that. It's blue. My favorite color is blue. Black and orange. Squishy! Okay, so it's that little unicorn, but the face caught off. See? No face. Poor little kitty. So cute. Great fidget. I highly recommend squishies and mini poppets. Oh yeah, 10 poppets. Didn't see this one. Zeus! Oh, never mind. He got a toy. Right, and puppet bracelet. I just got this from my amazing mom. Yeah, Mom? Did you hear that? I got this puppet bracelet from my amazing mom. I'm talking about you. I got this puppet bracelet from my amazing mom. I'm recording, Mom. You're supposed to. It's okay. It's okay. She's crazy anyway. Alright. Next. I'm a banana. No one wants to waste of it. Ow, that hurts my arm. Is that you or Zeus? LPS. I don't know where all my other ones went. Stinking booty cheek clapping ball. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot another one. Whoopee cushion. I'm gonna prank my mom. Sit down, okay? Can I also ask you a question before that? What time is it?
It's 7:36.
It's like whoopee cushion. Zeus was like, what the F?
Yeah.
He was like, what is that? It was really just whoopee cushion. I don't know if it's a fidget. I just like them. Right, I'm gonna show you my last. I'm gonna show you my 2 other poppets in part 5. Mini poppet. I love mini poppets. Oh yeah, I got this fidget cube thing, and then I tore it all apart. If you watch my videos, can you comment down in the comment section if you can? I don't know if it's locked or anything, you know what I mean, guys. And say I'm a subscriber, and please give me some more subscribers because I really want to be famous, and that would be nice. Thank you, guys. Alright, for part 5. Bye. I'm gonna upload the videos too.